What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, if you are using a Windows operating system, then you might know about a feature that allow user to use a USB drive, SD card or your hard drive as a RAM or memory cache. Partially it acts as an offset to RAM. It helps to speed up certain feature of Windows operating system. So it basically acts as an extra gigabyte of RAM. In this video I will show you how to do that. So further ado, let's start the video. So guys, in this method we are going to use a virtual memory to convert the drive space as RAM. First of all, insert your pen drive or SD card into your computer. Then right click on this PC. Then click on Properties. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings under the Performance. Now from here go to Advanced tab and click on Change under the Virtual Memory. Then uncheck this Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. And from here select your disk drive, whatever you want to use as an extra RAM. Then click on Custom Size and give the size here whatever you want to use as RAM on your computer. I am giving here 500 MB. Then click on OK. And after that you need to restart your computer. And after the restart, your PC gonna use your virtual disk as extra RAM of your PC. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with a friend. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.